Traders, hi. Okay, so this is going to be another backtesting session. I didn't do any backtesting on Saturday or Sunday. Saturday I did a bit of an extensive review of some of my stock trading that I do, and I also did some analysis stuff for my backtesting, and also I updated my trade journal, not filming that, but I updated that as well. So, and I had a few other things to do. I had the weekend off, so I spent a little bit of time with my partner as well, because that's the good thing to do. So, because I have actually been doing backtesting over the weekend as well, but I didn't. So, but let's do some now. Now I am going to be a little bit, probably not on my A game, because I had work from 4 to 12 today, so I'm back to mornings for this week, which I don't mind, but this is the adjustment day for the start of the week. So, and we're still on the pound US dollar 4-hour time frame. For people new to watching this, I use a Bollinger Band method with a 55 and a 200-day moving average, and I set my support and resistance levels using the weekly chart, and we go onto the line chart when I do that. So 46 months process, we've got a 48. I do 2 months at a time. I find that's how much my brain can sort of deal with at once. And 5.76% return, which is pretty terrible. But I think the peak of it was, what was the peak of it? I don't quite recall. I think it was over 10%. It was over 10%. 57% win rate. I probably need that at least really 65 with my current sort of profit factor, which is, the profit factor is not great either. Alright. And no trades either for this week so far. My USD yen closed out under 1% profit in the end, but that's okay. Alright, so I like to just go into the daily, get a bit of a macro perspective. I'm just going to sip my water. Okay. Hopefully I don't look too terrible, but I got about 2 hours sleep last night, so like on off, because I'm so used to staying up late with the New York trading session and everything. Okay, this is what happens. I was running the daily. Look, I probably wouldn't have taken that because it's just too, compared to the other candles, well, that one, but I would have expected a bit more of a pullback. Pardon me. Okay, I'd just like it to retrace a little bit. Okay, so I've sort of let this go significantly, but the problem that I am a little concerned about is that it's quite in uncharted territory and extended considerably. So you just get some consolidation. I want to see some consolidation now. Let's see if we can just make a move. There might be some noise out there. It's a really nice day in Perth, 22 degrees Celsius, sunny, really pretty pleasant. Alright, so we're getting a retracement here. So the problem with this, the entry would have been 5 pips above the high, and then stop loss would have been down there, so it would have been a 1R, but then the trailing might have got kicked out at break even nearly, because it did return down to, this is what I like to see though. I just want to see it. How's this? Yeah, we'll get this in here, and I just like to make sure it's at least 300 pips. There it is, one truly. 575. Ooh, it's a bit of a sweetie. To just explain that, I was a little hesitant because it's a zone, so it's not exact. It's not an exacting point when it comes to support and resistance. So I really like to see it make a clean break out of that. That was more of a fake out move. That's why I didn't take that trade. We're approaching 48 months process. I did butcher it because I was running the daily accidentally for a few candles. So, but I mean, it's hard to tell. I mean, there was a tradable signal there. Probably this one. Well, I mean, normally you'd expect it to retrace a little bit more, and I just like to see. I mean, this one is better, but then it's that. So, that's why I'm back testing, because I am not a good trader yet at all. Even close to it. So, I mean, my demo trading is going not too bad. Very slow though, to be fair. Okay, so that's 48 months process, guys. No trades. Thank you for watching, and I'll upload this straight away. Bye.